Alright, thanks for joining us, guys. Please, if you are in the live stream, please tell us where you are watching from and tell us your name and where you're watching from, and also drop your prediction. It is Asante Kotoko vs Great Olympics today, and I'll be giving you the starting lineup right here on this stream. Alright, the starting lineup is Kwame Ba, Christopher Niti, Habib Mohammed, Abdul Ganiyu, Patrick Asma. Then in the midfield we have Edom Frimpong. Latif Anabila is back in the midfield, so he'll partner with Edom Frimpong in the midfield. And then we have Emmanuel Jimfi at the wings. We have Godfred Esiema at the wings. Then up front we have William Bukumensa and Kwame Boku, since Osman Ibrahim is out injured. Wahab Adams, Nabi Keita, and other players are here at the VIP stand, but as you can see, the team are training there. I think I saw Felix Annan was training alone, but there you have Kwame Ba and Razaka Balora training with the goalkeeper coach. Felix Annan was training alone. I can't seem to find him anymore. Rashford Carter. Eugene says you're watching from Dubai. Thanks for joining us, Eugene. Kofi Aoko, I'm watching from Adenta. When are you guys also? When are we also joining you guys at the stadium? Kofi, I'm not sure when they will allow fans into the stadium. I'm not sure yet. But for Carter, I won't be able to show the match. If not, I will sleep in the police station today. So I don't have the authority or the power to show the game, so I won't be showing it. Eric Komane live from Dubai, thanks for joining us. It's Asante Kotoko versus Great Olympics today, and the starting lineup is Kwame Ba, Christopher Nate, Abdul Ganiyu, Habib Mohammed, Patrick Asma, Latif Anabila, Kwame Adom Frimpong, Emmanuel Jimfi, Godfred Esiema, William Obukumensa, and Kwame Obuku. 4-4-2. If you're joining us now, you know what to do. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now. Tell us where you're watching us from and drop your prediction. This is the Come say Greece. Is that Greece? This is the Great Olympics team. This is the Asante Kotoko team. If you are joining us right now, starting lineup: Kwame Ba, Christopher Nate, Abdul Ganiyu, Habib Mohammed, Patrick Asma, Godfred Esiema, Emmanuel Jimfi, Latif Anabila, Kwame Adom Frimpong. Then up front we have Kwame Obuku and William Obuku Mensa. Kankan says Kotoko win 2-0. Thanks for your prediction. It's Asante Kotoko versus Great Olympics. If you're joining us, starting 11, Kwame Ba, Christopher Nate, Habib Mohammed, Abdul Ganiyu, Patrick Asma, Godfred Esiema, Emmanuel Jimfi, Kwame Adom Frimpong, Latif Anabila, Kwame Obukumensa, Kwame Obuku and William Obukumensa. In the stadium here at the VIP stand, we have Fabio Gama, Nabi Keita, Osman Ibrahim, Emmanuel Keke, Felix Annan. Okay, Felix Annan is at the VIP stand. I can see Felix Annan. I don't know if you guys can see him. Felix Annan, that is Felix Annan going. Felix Annan is at the VIP stand with Fabio Gama, Osman Ibrahim, and Nabi Keita. Shakespeare, thanks for joining us. Fabulous the best. This is the Great Olympics team. If you're joining now, starting lineup remains Kwame Ba, Christopher Nete, Abdul Ganiyu, Habib Mohammed, Patrick Asma, Edom Frimpong, Latif Anabila, Emmanuel Jimfi, Godfrey Isiama, Kwame Opoku, and William Opoku Mensah. All right, I think the players are here. Let me get a video for you. So the players. That's Fabio Gama, Felix Anan, Wahab Adams, Emmanuel Keke, they're all here. Osman Ibrahim is also here, he's not in the pitch for you. I hope you guys saw them. They are not going to feature in today's game. Maybe in our upcoming games, because we have about I hope you guys saw the players when I showed you in the VIP section. This is Kwame Ba and Razak Abalara with the goalkeeper trainer. Sorry, my hand is shaking. Shakespeare, you're welcome. Please, if you are watching this video, I want you guys to do me a favor and like the video. The more you like the video, the more the chances of others seeing this video. Anybody that's looking for the warm-up video. If you like this video, YouTube recommend the video to them. So please, if you're watching right now, just like, that's the least you can do for me. Just like. Alright, I have some news for you guys. Naby Keita's agent was very angry that his player was not getting game time. He said that Naby Keita is not injured, that he's fully fit, but Maxwell Konadu chose not to play him. He also stated that Naby Keita is better than all the strikers Asante Kotoko have. So I don't know if that's the reason he's with the team, because Naby Keita, I showed you guys, is at the VIP session. He's with the team right now, and he might feature in one of our games in the next coming days, because we are playing how many games? 4 games or 5 games in 10 days. It's very hectic. 4 games in 10 days. King Barton, you're watching live from Paradise Island, between heaven and earth border. Thanks, Shakespeare. Thanks for commenting, King Barton. Alright, if you're joining us right now, starting lineup: Kwame Ba, Christopher Nete, Abdul Ganiyu, Habib Mohammed, Patrick Asma, Godfrey Esiema, Emmanuel Jimfi, Kwame Adam Frimpong, Latif Anabila. Then up front we have Kwame Opoku and William Opoku Mensah. Osman Ibrahim is out injured. He's currently at the VIP stand. Naby Keita is not much fit. Probably that's why he's at the VIP stand. He's not at the bench. All the players you are seeing there are the players that will feature in today's game. That's Latif Anabila, Emmanuel Jimfi, Kwame Adam Frimpong, Kwame Poku, Habib Mohammed, Abdul Ganiyu, Christopher Nete, Patrick Asma. Those are the players that will be starting today's game against Great Olympics. This is the Great Olympics team. That is the Great Olympics team. Sylvester Champion, I don't know if you are just joining us right now. Fabio Gama is at the VIP session. I just made a video of him at the VIP session with the other guys. I'm coming. Let me see if I can get the video for you guys again. I'm coming. Give me a few minutes. For those of you that want to see Fabio Gama, let me get a video of Fabio Gama for you guys. Please let me know if you can see him. That's Fabio Gama. That's Felix. That's Fabio Gama. That's Keke. That's Wahab Adams. That's Fabio Gama there. Alright. So you guys must have seen him by now. Alright, I hope you guys have seen Fabio Gama. Kim Warden is asking if Fabio Gama is a VIP session player. No. I don't think he's much fit. But he would definitely play in our coming games, probably this weekend. I'm sure a lot of players have not played any game this season will be playing this weekend against Dreams FC. Mane Boat, I'm watching from New York, Bronx. You are called Finito. Thanks for joining us. Yes, KK is injured. Shakespeare, KK is injured. That's why he's not featuring today. Not injured actually, he's not just match fit. For those of you, sake of those joining us right now, I will call the lineup, the starting lineup once more. At post we have Kwame Ba. Defense we have Christopher Neti, Habib Mohammed, Abdul Ganiyu, and Patrick Asma. In midfield we have Latif and Abila, Kwame Adon Frimpong. At the wings we have Patrick Asma, Emmanuel Jimfi. Then at the striking position we have Kwame Obuku and William Opoku Mensah. Those are the people striking for us today. Kim Boateng says Emmanuel Boateng might be shoveling snow by now. Yeah, I think the snow is falling now at the US. Alright, I'll be going off. I just know I won't be showing the game live. Kofi Nimo watching from Ohio. Thanks for joining us, Kofi. Thanks for that. I hope the weather is good there because I guess it's snowing right now and the weather is very good. Here, Ghana is very hot. Ghana is very hot. The weather is very hot. Right now, everywhere is hot in Ghana. One more Penny, one more three of the Ghana Premier League outstanding game. One more area ranked up so our the nation's family Accra Sports Center Park and Mamisi I am Bratin Bakwa. One more Penny, one more Bessia kind area man the two teams of Bobati at the Accra Great Olympics goalkeeper Seri Sali to win a goal post. Anna Philip Ayer Kujosaki Elbobi Eric Oseposu Tamu Tin Elbobi Samuel Abi Abrantini Ebenezer Saki Razak Ayer Kasim Elbobi Abrantini Ade Mike Watt Klasen Awako Michelle Michael Otu Ane Abdul Madaf Ayer Mudasino Tuomo. Shakespeare is asking why MTN logo is not in front of the jersey. First of all, this is the training jersey and I think Kotoko deal with MTN has run out. They are now, as you can see at the board there, our sponsors are Adonko Next Level. As you can see at the board, we have Melcom, Hisense, Star Assurance. Yes, I think our headline sponsors are Hisense. Our headline sponsors are Hisense, not MTN. No, we no longer have any deal with MTN. Nanayo Amposa came and saw that the MTN deal was not favorable. He felt it wasn't a good deal. That is why he cancelled it and signed new deal. That's why we are now sponsored by Hisense. Hisense is our headline sponsors. No longer MTN. All right, let's talk about the game. Personally, I think this game is going to be difficult, but I think we have enough quality to beat Great Olympics. I think we have enough quality to beat Great Olympics. Just that we shouldn't, what do you call it? We shouldn't score one goal and relax. Today we should score more than one goal, and I want them to score all the goals in the first half. I don't want them to struggle today. If we play well, we are going to finish Great Olympics today. I am very, very sure we are going to beat Great Olympics. King Boateng, I have no answer for you, honestly. I have no answer for you. For those of you joining, starting lineup: Kwame Ba, Christopher Nete, Abdul Ganil, Habib Mohammed, Patrick Asma, Kwame Don Frimpong, Latif Anabila is back from injury, Godfrey Isiama, Emmanuel Jimfi, Kwame Puku, and William Obuku Mensah. Those are the people starting for us today. If you're joining us now, please tell us where you're watching us from and drop your prediction. If you're joining us, tell us where you are joining the stream from and drop your prediction. William Obuku Mensah will score today, Kotoko 3. Wow. The way you're saying it as if you are very confident. Alright, let's see. William Obuku Mensah has about less than a month. William Obuku Mensah has less than a month left in his contract. I think about 28 days. William Obuku Mensah's contract will end next month. So if he performs today, I'm sure Kotoko are going to renew his contract. So I think this is like a trial for him. If he doesn't play well today, I don't think they will reason to renew his contract. His contract ends next month. So I'm sure they are using this opportunity to test him to see if they will renew his contract. Shakespeare watching from Doha. How is the weather in Doha? Ali Ibrahim says Kotoko 2. All of you are telling the goals, how many goals Kotoko will score. You're not telling me how many goals Great Olympics will score. Ali Ibrahim watching live from Saudi Arabia, Jeddah. Thanks for joining us, Aliyu Ibrahim. Doha, the weather is cool now. Okay, that's very nice. Ghana is very hot. Shakespeare says Kotoko 3, Olympics 1. Okay. Enoch Frimpong watching live from KJT, going for Korea. Enoch Frimpong, I miss Kumasi. Hopefully, maybe either the end of the year or early next year, I will visit Kumasi again. I miss Kumasi. Gideon watching live from Dubai. Thanks for joining us, Gideon. Seems a lot of you are watching from Dubai. Ali says the weather in Saudi Arabia is like hell. The same with Ghana. In Ghana here, if you don't have ceiling fan or standing fan, I don't think you'll be able to sleep. Alright, the boys are rounding up their warm-up session. As you can see, they are doing their last warm-up session right there. After that, they will be going inside the dressing room. If you're joining us now, let me call the lineup once more. Kwame Ba, Christopher Nete, Abdul Ganil, Habib Mohammed, Patrick Asma, Edun Frimpong, Latif Anabila, Emmanuel Jumfi, Godfred Esiama, Kwame Bobo, and William Obukumenza. Bobo Godwin says Kotoko will win 2-1. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for your prediction of Bobo Godwin. Onyx exclusive, thanks for joining us. Fabio Gama is at the VIP session. He won't be playing today. He's here. Fabio Gama is here, but he won't be playing today. But I think he might play this weekend. Seydou Ransford watching live from Qatar, Doha. Wow, a lot of you are watching from Qatar and Doha. Some of you are watching from Saudi Arabia. Thanks for joining us, guys. Please, if you are watching now, the least you can do for me is to just like this video. It will take only 1 second. Just like this video, and YouTube will recommend it to Kotoko fans that are looking for the warm-up. So if you are watching now, just like the video. That's what I want you guys to do. Just like the video, that's all. Alright, as you can see, they are done with the warm-up and they are going into the dressing room. Alright, at the bench we have Sule Muniru, Yusuf Mubarak, Evans Adamako, Samuel Frimpong, Aimouri Ibrahim, and Emmanuel Sakode. This versus William Obukumenza, Emmanuel Jumfi, and Kwame Bobo will score for the 3 goals. Thanks for your prediction, guys. Alright, I think I think that's it. I'll be going off now. After the game, I'll give you the match report. And till next time, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining the stream. Please, before you leave, if you haven't liked the video, please do that. Like the video. These are the officials, and they are doing the last training section. Alright, bye guys.